Unit 2, Part A, Activity 2A. Listen to the conversation between Vicky and another woman. Answer the questions.
Can you take me to my house?
Yes, of course. Where's your house?
Go straight and take the 5th right, then turn left and drive straight for 2 blocks.
Okay, I think I got it.
You know it's pretty unusual to see a female tuk-tuk driver. Why is that?
There are many reasons from both the customers and the drivers. Some women think it's too tiring and uncommon to do this job because they only see men do it. Many customers also don't trust us and think we're too weak, so we don't get many customers.
It shouldn't matter to me as long as you drive carefully. What exactly do you do with this job?
I always leave my house before 5 a.m. to deliver a big amount of vegetables, meat, and other goods to the sellers at the market. They order from the farmers and they hire me to pick up what they buy. This usually takes about 2 hours. Then, I always go to my regular place at Angkor Thom Temple and take customers to places.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I do. I have 3 boys, and that's why I stop working around 11 a.m. I often need to pick them up from school or make lunch for them at home. And after that, we rest for a little bit before I take them to their extra classes at 12:30 p.m. and continue my work at Angkor Wat Temple.
What do you do after then?
It's usually the same as in the morning, but occasionally I get tourists that want to hire me as a driver and a guide for the entire afternoon, which allows me to earn more. Sometimes when I don't have customers, my neighbors pay me to buy some snacks for them from the shops.
Do you leave work at 5 p.m.?
No, my husband always returns from the factory in the evening, so he cooks and takes care of the kids. I often stop by to get dinner and head off to Pub Street because there are always many people there. I usually earn more at night, so I return home around midnight every day.
That really sounds like a busy job. Do you have time for yourself at all?
I often catch a quick nap after lunch while I wait for the customers. I forgot to say that I only work from Monday to Saturday, so I have 1 day off. On Sundays, I rarely wake up before 7 a.m. and my husband and children takes turn making meals for us as well. I often just do the gardening, go shopping for groceries, and study English so that I can communicate better.
I think you have a nice and supportive family. By the way, how much do you earn on average per day?
My income isn't much. I earn around $10 to $20, but sometimes it's double that amount.
That's my house. Here's $10. Keep the change. And my name's Vicky. What's your name?
Thank you so much. I'm Gunti.
Kunti. Give me your number. I'll call you when I want to go around.
Thank you.